Hostas look amazing, but we all know that there are problems sometimes with holes from slugs and snails. Well, did you know that garlic, when on the leaves, affects the slug's nervous system, and he won't go near it. He won't go near it. Now, let me show you. We have a small bottle and a large bottle, of course both available from us. One moment. And this diluted as a spray, spraying on the leaves, first thing in the morning, maybe twice a week, and your leaves will stay in pristine condition. These are things that we sell at Chelsea Flower Show, so come and see us because we want you to have hostas that are as fantastic as ours. And you have to say, they are rather splendid. So go and have a chat to Simon or Cookie or myself. Karen will probably be here as well, depends which day you are here. Or if you want a real entertainment and a treat, then go and ask about Godfrey, the Vicar. Go and ask the Vicar.